Welcome to this quick tutorial on using AI for code generation in Latenode. In this scenario, we're leveraging the powerful deepseek-coder model to assist with programming tasks. Let's walk through the flow. First, we have a trigger on Run Once node. This initiates our scenario when we click the Run Once button. Next, we see the Set User Prompt node. This is where we input our coding question or task. In this case, we're asking how to create a simple neural network using the TensorFlow library. The final node is our AI powerhouse, the deepseek-coder 6 7B base FOE. This model is specifically trained on vast amounts of code and can generate helpful responses to programming queries. When we run this scenario, the AI processes our prompt and generates a code snippet for creating a basic neural network with TensorFlow. It provides a complete runnable example, from importing libraries to defining the network architecture, compiling, training, and testing the model. This setup is incredibly useful for developers looking to quickly prototype ideas, learn new libraries, or get unstuck on coding problems. Imagine you're working on a machine learning project and need a quick refresher on implementing a neural network. This scenario has you covered in seconds. The beauty of this workflow is its simplicity and flexibility. You can easily modify the prompt to ask about different programming concepts, languages, or frameworks. Whether you're debugging, optimizing code, or exploring new programming paradigms, this AI-powered assistant is at your fingertips. Give it a try. You might be surprised at how it can speed up your coding process and spark new ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Latenode.